What's going on, you guys, and welcome to today's free training call where we are going to be discussing the 3-step method to making money online. It's your favorite coach, Coach Tavy D, also known as Millionaire Mommy if you follow me on Instagram. And I'm excited about this because these 3 steps are responsible for me earning over $1 million online, creating multiple 6-figure earners, and helping over 200 women walk away from their 9 to 5. So I'm excited about that. So if you're excited, get ready because you are next. Let's go.
Okay, so how to make money online in just 3 simple steps. You guys are going to need 3 things, okay? You're going to need 3 things. You're going to need an offer, you're going to need a system, and you're going to need traffic. So let's talk about it. First thing first, an offer. We definitely need an offer. We need something to sell. We need something to be purchased online. If you want to make money online, you have to exchange some type of goods and services, right? And actually make sales. And in order to make those sales, you're going to need a website. You're going to need what we call a sales funnel, also referred to as a system. This system's job is to provide information about the product and access to the product, right? So you have your offer, which is your product, and then you're going to need a system in place that is also going to provide information about the product and access to the product. Okay, that's what a system is supposed to do so that you're not having to manually do it. And because you're online, this is not a conversation, this is not in person. People are going to need a website that they can go to, receive information and access to your product, okay? Then the third thing that you're going to need is what we call traffic. Another word for traffic is basically visitors to your website, visitors to your system. Guys, without traffic, traffic is the most important step in this process because without traffic, you can have the best offer in the world, you can have the best system in the world, but without visitors actually coming to your website, coming to your system, they're never going to purchase the offer. And so we just make money in 3 simple steps, right? At least that's what it seems like. You're like, oh, a product, a system, and traffic sounds pretty reasonable. But guess what? 9 years ago, when I learned digital marketing, these 3 simple steps weren't as simple as they sound. 9 years ago, I had to create my own product. 9 years ago, I had to build my own system. 9 years ago, I had to learn advertising so that I could run traffic to my systems. So it was very, very hands-on learning, right? It was a huge learning curve. It literally took me years to master traffic. It took me years to learn how to build an advertising campaign online and send people to my website. It took me a very long time to do that. But actually 3 years ago, I started to offer traffic services as a profession. I started my own advertising agency just 3 years ago. My advertising agency is very successful. And traffic services is one of the services we provide because it took me years to master advertising. But once I did, every business owner in the world needed it, right? And I was able to get so many clients because I was providing traffic services to them, which brings me to my point in the value behind the 10X income system. I got to stop sharing this because you guys got to really hear me on this. So with the 10X income system versus 9 years ago, when we had to create our own offer, with the 10X income system, the offer is done for you, right? The offer is 100% done for you, and it gets even better. With the 10X income system, the system is done for you. The website, the sales funnel that you're going to be using, right, is done for you. The offer that you're going to be selling is done for you. And last but not least, the most important thing, right? Because 9 years ago, people could create their own products, they could create their own systems, but it was just so difficult for most people to get a grasp, right, of how to really advertise online. And building these complicated advertising campaigns, it got frustrating for a lot of people. So the average person wasn't able to send traffic to their systems, to their websites, and actually make sales, therefore being very unsuccessful online. Well, I'm here to change that, you guys. I'm here to change the entire experience, because with the 10X income system, not only is the offer done for you, not only is the system done for you, but the traffic is done for you on behalf of my advertising agency. So, you know, just a couple of months ago, I was thinking about how can I help people make money online that don't want to build a brand on social media? They don't want to be YouTubers, right? They don't want to own an e-commerce store and do this crazy drop shipping and keep up with all these products and, you know, buying products and they probably don't even sell. Like so much comes with making money online, because you're going to have to advertise, right? Or you're going to have like an organic following where a lot of people know you and you're able to sell that way. So with this strategy, okay, understand everything is done for you. Everything is done for you. You need an offer, you got it. This system, when you sign up for the 10X income system, you are going to get a fully duplicated version of this exact website using this exact video that's making me unlimited $297 commissions over and over and over and over again. Everybody who buys this system, they're going to need traffic, right? So on the behalf of the 10X income system, we're going to be providing traffic services. Instead of teaching you guys these complicated campaign strategies, learning how to master your cost per click, learning how to master a crazy advertising budget, we are going to do it all for you. It is all 100% done for you. This is the first time, you guys. I personally have never been a part of a program that did everything for me. It almost sounds too good to be true. But when you think about it, it's still the 3 steps. You still have an offer, you still have a system, and you're still receiving traffic to that system, right? And if you don't know how to advertise, traffic is the biggest downfall. Most people struggle with traffic. This 3-step method has been around for years. The reason why a lot of people have not been successful is because they have not mastered traffic, which is okay. The 10X income system is here to help the average person make money online. We've done it before and we are prepared to do it again. Okay, so what I want you guys to take from this video today is that you now have the opportunity to provide an offer, a system, and traffic. Okay, you can have this entire system for $297, you guys. And we will run the traffic to this same system. And you will earn the same $297 commissions. You have got to tap in. You've got to tap in. In the past 7 days, I have been able to generate over $15,000. Guys, do you realize that we are able to send hundreds and thousands of people to your website? To your website, thousands of people for less than $100. So you go from having to previously master advertising to just having it done for you. Big, big deal, big, big shift, and a lot of great things are about to happen. So this is what I want you to do. I want you to click on the button below. I want you to get your system. I want you to set your system up. I want you to order your traffic. I want you to get into our Facebook community. And I want you to share all of your amazing results with us over the next 90 days, because that is how confident I am, okay, that you're going to see results with this system. So it is Coach Tavy D. I appreciate you guys for tapping in, and I will see you guys on the inside. Let's do it.